Ready to supercharge your AI with the power of phone numbers? Let's dive into adding them to Vapi AI, unlocking a whole new world of connected communication. First things first, log into your Vapi AI account and navigate to the Settings or Integrations area. You'll find this often near your profile or dashboard menu. Once inside Settings, locate the section dedicated to integrating phone numbers. It might be labeled Number Integration, Phone Numbers, or something similar. Click on it to get started. Now you'll be presented with a form. You will see fields where you can enter the phone numbers you want to integrate. The primary field will be for the new phone number. You can also add name for the contact. After entering the phone number and contact information, click the Add Number or Save button. The system might ask you to confirm the number or verify ownership. After verification, congratulations! The phone number will be integrated with your Vapi AI. You will see the number listed along with any other integrated numbers. You can now start using this integrated number. Configure your AI workflows to use the new number for outgoing calls or incoming calls, depending on your plan. It's that simple. Adding numbers to your AI is easy, and now you can have expanded communication capabilities. Explore the power of Vapi AI and start connecting with your audience now.